Hello there, hello. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So, I want to show you how to get 8 breakfast meals for $29.42. That's what I paid for the items that I'm going to show you how to make for breakfast. So we're on our Thanksgiving series, and I thought you would like a break in between to see how to make 8 meals for breakfast for $29.42. Okay, and of course we're going to go back to our Thanksgiving. We're going to do it in between so that you can kind of get the idea, because people are struggling right now. And if I can show you how to budget a little better, that would make a great video, right? Okay, so let's do it. So here's my receipt. I spent $29.42. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to show you the items and tell you what I'm going to do with the items, okay? Alright, let me adjust the camera. Give it a thumbs up, share the video. So this is me introducing you to my shopping haul. So that's what this video is about, introducing you to the items. And then I'll show you how to make each item on the upcoming videos. Alright? Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so the first item is garlic and herb dough. Okay, this is a pizza dough, but we're gonna make fried dough out of it and turn that into a Danish. Okay, this dough is gonna definitely, so we're feeding a family of 4. Okay, so I can definitely make probably 8 fried doughs, you know, just like donuts is a pastry, right? Okay, and with that we're gonna have some plums. Here's some plums that I bought. Alright, family of 4. Corn muffins. I have 3 boxes of corn muffin mix that I'm gonna make the muffins out of. 3 boxes. And I bought some whole cranberries. They're in the market now because it's Thanksgiving time, and I'm going to make cranberry juice. You've seen that on my channel already. So this is going to be our juice for the week. Then bagels. I bought a package of bagels. It's 6 bagels in here. And I have the cream cheese to go with it. Okay? And then we're going to have pancake mix. I'm going to either make pancakes or waffles, I'm not sure. One of them. Okay? And with the pancakes, we're going to have bananas. Alright. Then we got banana bread. So I bought a banana bread mix. And I'm going to add one of these bananas in with the mix. Okay, and the cranberry juice. Then we're going to have the maple link sausage. And I have 18 eggs here. I'll be using 8 of the eggs to go with the sausage. Okay. And then we're going to have the powdered donuts right here, along with yogurt. I have 4 yogurts here. And then we're going to have the bacon. Here's the bacon. And we're going to have the eggs to go with the bacon. The other portion of the eggs out of this container to go along with the bacon. And so that's going to give us 8 meals. And I have a container of margarine. Let's see if I can pull this off. I think I can, but you be the judge, okay? So that's my haul. I wanted to show you how to stretch your dollar. So the total is $29.42. That's giving us 8 meals. So that brings our cost down to $3.67 per meal for a family of 4 for breakfast. $3.67. Okay? Okay, so let's give that a try. I can't wait to show you that. So as you can see here, we have, it looks like a lot, but I've got to figure out how to make this work. And I might even be able to squeeze in not the ninth meal. We'll see with the leftovers, okay? I can't promise that, but I can promise you the rest. So we're going to give it a shot and see how it works, okay? Breakfast for 4 people. 8 meals for $29.42. Okay, all right. So why don't I give you the word of the day since I have you here, all right? The word of the day. The word of the day is funds. Money. Funds. So when your funds are running low or you don't have enough funds to see your way, start planning out your meals like I did, like I showed you with this shopping haul, so that you can figure out you know, how to get through the week, how to stretch your meal, how to feed the family, because your funds are not getting any larger, but your thinking can get really big and make it happen. Okay? Your funds. Another way to stretch your funds. Let's do it. Okay? That's the word of the day. Alright, so I just wanted to show you my shopping haul, and I'll see you on the videos when I show you how to make these breakfast meals. You're gonna love it. It's a little treat for you. Okay? Alright, talk to you soon. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below. I'd love to have you on the venture of the 8 breakfast meals. Bye-bye.